Hey guys, back with another retro ball video. We are for sure going to sign him back. We have Thomas, Krim, Duron Tucker, Colton Adams, Andrew Spence, and Darnell Michelle. We're gonna trade Thomas, Krim, and Duron Tucker. We're gonna start off with a defensive player. He has stamina. So we're gonna take Lauli. Then we're gonna get Auburn Rebuild. There's no good QBs. And Trenton Cephas. No good. I'm gonna trade him for another pick. So we have 2 more picks. So we can take Dante Milton. And we can take so this is the squad. Oh, did I mention we're at Auburn? That I'm starting. Oh yeah, I forgot I got kickoffs. We'll put Auburn Rebuild there. Spence is too slow. Texas Tech has it in midfield. They throw the ball. Spence missed the tackle. They run the ball, touchdown. Texas Tech University. And Vildor back to return. And they have speed on this special team. That was a pick. Oh my god, that was a terrible throw. Alright, Vildor back to return again. And he gets smacked. They throw the screen pass. And we get 5. And Vildor, he's up to the races. 16. First down to lose. It does it. And Conte Adams. Little short pass, 4 yards. And he throws it to Darwin Baldwin. They're gonna hand it off. They had 8 in the box. That's 8. 2-yard line. They have 8 in the box again, and it's a 3-yard loss. They thought we were gonna run it again, but we just throw it up to Darwin Baldwin for the touchdown. got it. Darwin Baldwin. It's a run play. Texas Tech has it in midfield. Spence was too slow. It's a run play, and it's a touchdown for Texas Tech. And Villanova back to return. And he throws it across the middle, and it's dropped by Baldwin. It's thrown up 1-1. Oh my God, they gotta call timeout. And it just flies over his head. And he throws a pick. Vildor to the outside, and he gets down to the 31. A good return off of a short kick, and that it's caught by Adams. It's caught 8 yards. He accidentally steps out of bounds. They're gonna throw a screen pass to Adams, and he gets caught. Thought he had him beat. Oh, they throw the screen pass, but it doesn't work. And Darwin Baldwin dropping passes like crazy. They're gonna have to go conservative here. And they're kicking field goal. 49 yards, and it's up and in. Texas Tech in midfield is passing play, and they scored. Back to return, Vildor. They just take the Baldwin, and he gets 17. Don't think we forgot about Adams, because we definitely didn't. And it just flies over his head. Gill not having the best day. 16-yard catch by Adams, and they hand it off to Vildor for 6 yards. They're going to hand it off to Vildor again. He jumps over 2. He jukes a man. Touchdown, Vildor. Why is he celebrating? Why are you celebrating? We're losing. 19 yards. Boogie. They're not going to kick it. Onside kick. Cephas missed the tackle, and we've lost this game. This game was out of hand. They're going to juke to the outside. And he gets a longest kick return to the 31, even though we had one to the 31. But I guess it was longer since the kick spot. They throw it to Darwin Baldwin. If he would have dropped that screen pass, Darwin Baldwin has 2 catching. So the better hand is Adams. And Baldwin with the touchdown, 24 yards, but this game was long over. Adams to lose it. And Auburn loses to Texas Tech, 27-36. I didn't see his name once on the bad side, so yeah, we'll praise player. So he had 7 tackles, so did Cephas. But this is the squad. Alright, peace out.